What's going on, everyone? My name is Carl Aline. I am a movement coach, and you are tuning into Carl's Dance Challenge. Now this right here, this is a challenge where we go to individuals and we just ask them the crazy question. What do you want to learn how to dance? Because I believe I can teach anyone how to dance. All right, so come along, let's do this.
Hi, my name's Macy. I'm Liz.
And they're gonna learn how to dance. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Bow. All right, so we'll stand right here.
Okay.
All right, so we'll take myself over here. We'll put a beat on. So, all right, so we're gonna do this. All right. So here's the thing. The first move we're gonna do is a bounce. All right?
Okay.
Bounce.
All right.
But you know, you gotta say the attitude. Bounce. 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 Alright, so, and then my posture is going to be like this.
Okay.
Bad posture, ladies and gentlemen. Bad posture. Yeah. Yeah. And then my body's broken down like this. I'm going to tilt my head. That gives me attitude. And the attitude is not so much in your face, it's more so
I'm a good
relaxed.
face dancer.
Yeah, it's laid back. It's just laid back. Funky is laid back, so it's funky, yeah? So I'm going to go 1, 2. 1, 2. And then so when I bounce, my body's hunched over, and that's how I go. Let's go other way. 1, 2, 3. Just feel that, you know what I mean? Doesn't it feel good? It's like eating a meal, right? When you eat a meal, what do you say? That food's good. It's delicious. So if you hear a beat, you're rocking to it. It's just, let's go back to this bounce. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, other side. Let's go. Bounce. 2, 3, other side, hit, bounce, 2, 3, other side, hit, bounce, 2, 3, how we go, there it is. Now, another thing we can put into it, we'll go, our hands will go opposite, like a rating. Lift this up, yeah.
You're down and they go up.
Yeah, Now, the challenge is, they'll go small, we'll go small with it, small. Doesn't it go big, we'll be like, I mean, it depends on if you hear music that's really hype, you can do that, but when you go small, yeah? Other side, small. I tilt my head, other side, boom. Let's go faster, ready? Let's go. Bounce, 2, 3, let's go. Bounce, 2, 3, let's go. Bounce, 2, 3. You can turn it into other moves. Yeah? For the beat went off.
Yeah, we went off beat, yeah.
That was completely small, right? Let's start again. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go. Bounce, 2, 1, let's go. Hit, bounce, 2, 3, let's go. Hit, bounce, 2, 3, let's go. Hit, bounce. Yeah. There it is. Here we go. Nice. There it is. Yes, ladies, great job. Yeah. Thank you very much. What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my dance challenge. The purpose of me doing this dance challenge is to show you as the viewer that anyone can dance. You know, as a performing artist, I performed for 30 years, and with some of those performances, I've done weddings, I've done different events social gatherings where people are at and they don't feel free to move and free to dance. So I want this dance challenge to serve the purpose of just helping people to see that anyone can move, anyone can dance, and it is attainable. So, hope you enjoyed it. If so, if you want to learn more about what we do, if you'd like to get one of our free crash courses with movement, click the button below or one of those places it's at. All right? Peace.